Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. PM Modi inaugurates a slew of railway projects across country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday virtually inaugurated a slew of railway projects, including the Jammu Railways Division, the Charpali Charlapalli Terminal station in Telangana, besides laying foundation for the Rayagada Railway Division building in Odisha under the East Coast Railway Zone, lauding the country's fast-paced progress in connectivity. Oye, Sia! He said since the beginning of 2025, India has been accelerating its initiatives with its metro rail network expanding to over 1,000 kilometers. He also mentioned the recent inauguration of the Namo Bharat train in Delhi NCR along with the launch of Delhi Metro projects. Today's event is a further testimony to the fact that the entire nation is moving forward together step by step as projects launched in Jammu and Kashmir, Odisha and Telangana mark a major leap in modern connectivity for the northeast and southern regions of the country, he said. He also reiterated that the mantra of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas is helping turn the vision of a developed India into reality while congratulating the people of these states and all citizens of India on the new developments. The Prime Minister underscored that the work on modern rail networks like the dedicated freight corridor is progressing rapidly in the country. He said this special corridor will reduce pressure on the regular tracks and create more opportunities for high speed trains, a press not released after. Time is not far for first bullet train, PM Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday stated that the first bullet train will soon be operational in the country. Soon speaking about the new sleeper version of the Vande Bharat train, which he said successfully ran at the speed of 180 km per hour. During trials, PM Modi noted that such advancement in India's railway system are not only a source of pride for him but for the entire nation. 2 3 days back, I was watching a video. The new sleeper version of the Vande Bharat train was running at the speed of 180 km in trial. It makes me feel good, not only to me but to everyone for sure. This is just the beginning. Time is not far when the first bullet train will run in the country, he said.